Credit repair, Ryan. Let's tell our audience how we as a team help repair people's credit, because this is a really sensitive topic for a lot of people, and we understand that. However, we are here to help our clients understand where they're at currently with their credit, and if they have anything that we can help them with to increase that credit score, we can. So tell them what you do, Ryan, on that side of
Yeah.
the fence.
Yeah. We talk to a lot of clients who are nervous about moving forward with a mortgage application. It does entail running credit, reviewing debts, income, and assets to determine how much you can get approved for. So it's a lot to review. It could be overwhelming. It really can. And we understand that. But a big concern for some is usually about those credit scores. And that's, they're afraid it's too low to get qualified. It's completely okay. If you have this concern, I feel it's even more important to take a mortgage application so we can get a full picture of where you currently stand and a plan to get you into a home. So there's a good amount of lenders out there who don't provide much help for anybody who doesn't currently qualify for a loan. They'll just say, we can't qualify you, and then not call you back. But my team is different. We do the opposite. When we check credit, if for any reason you don't currently qualify, we'll send you a copy of a full tri-merge credit report. That means all three credit bureaus. And it's going to be different than the consumer ones that you might check on Credit Karma or Experian Direct. It's going to be more accurate, really. And we'll put a detailed plan together about what to pay down, what to pay off, what to dispute, what accounts to open, what accounts to close, etc. There's a lot that we can consider. So our clients, who follow these plans, we've been doing it for almost 20 years now. If they do, usually within 3 to 4 months, they're in a position to get qualified. So if for any reason you feel you don't currently qualify, but want to eventually get into a home, it's a great idea to start now. Get a mortgage application completed and get a plan together to get approved.
And Ryan, do you charge anything to help repair credit?
Not at all. There's a cost for the credit check, but we do that. We cover that for you. So it's completely free of charge.
Wow, that's really great. So if you guys are struggling or if you have any questions, definitely reach out to us. Like we said, that's our goal. We are here to help you. So don't be afraid. We understand it can be scary, but you need that roadmap to navigate and help you figure out where you need to be. So thanks, guys. Happy Tip Tuesday. See you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.